introduce myself. My name is Via Zara Rahmadita with NPM 234111011. I am from Management Class 23C. In this video, I will present my research methodology promotion entitled The Influence of Word of Mouth and Online Testimonial on the Catchy ID Store on Customer Purchasing Decision. Background: digital development have changed the way consumers make purchasing decisions. Word of mouth and online testimonial have become influential sources of information because they are considered more reliable than advertising. Catchy ID, a woman fashion store in Bandar Lampung, actively use this strategy. However, despite the many positive reviews, not all customers immediately buy. This study was conducted to examine how much influence home and online testimonial have on customer purchasing decision at Catchy ID. Formula of the problem. The first, how much influence does WOM have on purchasing decision? And the second, how much influence do online testimonial have on purchasing decision? And the last, third, which factor is the most dominant? Next, research model. The quantitative research model is used to examine the relationship between variables to numerical and statistical analysis. In this study, the model aims to measure the influence of two independent variables on one dependent variable using a multiple linear regression approach. Research variable. Number 1, independent variable. Word of mouth or WOM X1. Online testimonial X2. The second dependent variable, purchasing decision Y. The empirical model applies a multiple linear regression analysis to test the influence of word of mouth and online testimonial both individually and simultaneously on customer purchasing decision at Catchy ID. Next, population and sample. Population. The population in this study consists of all consumers who have made purchasing at Catchy ID, a woman fashion store located in Kedaton, Bandar Lampung. The includes individuals who have purchasing through social media, online marketplace, or directly and have had experience with Catchy ID product and service. The sample, this study used a purposive sampling technique, which is a non-probability sampling method based on specific criteria. The criteria for respondents in this research are: number 1, have made a purchase from Catchy ID. Number 2, have received product recommendation or word of mouth. Number 3, have read or seen online testimonial before making a purchasing decision. These criteria ensure that the sample is relevant and appropriate to analyze the influence of word of mouth on an online testimonial on purchasing decision. Next, research hypothesis. H1, word of mouth or WOM, has a positive and significant effect on purchasing decision. H2, online testimonial has a positive and significant effect on purchasing decision. H3, word of mouth or WOM and online testimonial simultaneously have a positive and significant effect on purchasing decision. Next, data analysis technique. The study used quantitative analysis technique with a multiple linear regression approach to test the influence of word of mouth or WOM and online testimonial on Catchy ID customer purchasing decision. Data analysis step taken. Number 1, Describe analyze. To describe the characteristic of respondent and provide an overview of each variable. Number 2, validity and reliability test. To ensure that the questionnaire instrument used is accurate and consistent in measure the research variable. Number 3, multiple linear regression. Used to determine how much influence the WOM and online testimonial variable have on purchasing decision, both partially and simultaneously. Number 4, hypothesis testing. To test the significance of the relationship between variable and determine whether the influence found is statistically acceptable. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.